In your bright space in week 6 and 7, under Create a New Website Part 4, we're going to create a homepage, or you're going to create a homepage for your Easy Lawn Care on your primary domain from Namecheap. Now keep in mind, do not use AI or pre-made layouts or templates for this assignment. You must build everything manually. If you use AI or any pre-made layout or any template, you will receive 0 credit for this or for the assignment. Okay? Now you're going to use the logo you created. You must have all these sections, the following sections on your home page to receive full credit. Navigation menu, the logo, the header with logo, and you must have your home page set to front page. A hero section, a brief introduction, key services and features, call to action, testimonial, and a footer, a global footer. Okay? Now, let's go to your Bluehost account. Here we will launch your Easy Lawn Care from your primary domain from Namecheap. Click WordPress Admin. Let's go down to your pages. Go to All Pages. Go down to your home front page. Let's go to Edit with Divi. I'm going to do a right click and open in a new tab and keep my dashboard open. Let's click over to the front end. This is the home page edit area. It opens by default with a section already loaded. Let's go into your section settings. Let's go under content. Go to background. Let's select a background color. I'm going to select black. I'm going to put it at 50% black. Under the background, go over to your background image. Let's add a background image. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to upload the image. Under background image, let's go scroll down to background image blend. Click into it. Go to multiply. Now you have a combination of the background image with an overlay of the 50% black. Let's go to the design tab. Find your spacing. Go to top and bottom margin. Okay? Or I mean padding. Go to your top and bottom padding. Turn on the lock key icon. Let's go to edit responsive values. Click it. Go to your desktop and we'll call this one 175 pixels. Go to the tablet and we'll want this one at 125 pixels. Go to your phone. We'll do this one at 50 pixels. Now don't worry, if this does not work out, we can always change them later. Click off your responsive editor. Go back to your desktop with this icon. That's desktop screen. Now you can get the background images, the one you can choose from which one you want to use. You'll get them by going to your bright space under week 6 and 7, create a new website part 4. You scroll down to websites, copy an image, Google link here. Click it, brings up a Google Doc, and you will see your hero section text that we're going to use for the website. This is your deliverables. Okay, now you can click here for your hero section background images. So click into that, and there's a file for 3 background images you can choose from. So please download those and use them to which ones you want to use. Let's add in a 1-column row. So let's go to the plus in the middle here of the section, add a new row, 1-column row. Now let's add in a header. Okay, let's add in another header. Okay, let's go to the little plus and let's add in an image. Scroll down to the little plus here. Let's add in a text module. Then let's add in a button. Okay, let's scroll back up. Let's go into the first headline here. Make sure you have your module settings on. Make sure you follow your breadcrumbs, and it says heading. Let's go under content. Let's go under the heading. Let's select all. Now, let's go over to your Google Doc here and go under hero section text and get transform your lawn with ease. Copy it. Go back to the heading here and paste it in. Now let's go under your presets heading and your assigned presets. Go to and find H3 Center. Okay? Go back to your document, and now we're going to get just the welcome to. Copy it. Go back over to the next heading module and make sure you're in the module settings for it, and go into the heading, select all, and paste it. Go to your heading and go to the assigned presets and find your H1 white center. Select it. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to go down to your image. Just click into it or select your module settings. Make sure that you're in your image settings. Go under image. Select the image placeholder here to select an image from your media library. Click it. I'm going to find the logo I'm using here, and I'm going to upload the image. Now I'm going to design, and I'm going to go to the alignment, and I'm going to center it. Now let's go to spacing. Let's go to top margin. Let's use negative top margin, negative 30 maybe pixels. Click out for it to take. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and save your page. Let's go into your text module here. Select the setting, module settings. Make sure that you're in your text module. Let's go under content here. Select text. Let's go to the document. Let's find the next experience the perfect blend. Find it and let's go back to Divi, go to your content, down to your sample text, select all, and then paste the experience the perfect blend. And then go to your text, assign presets, and we want to do body text white center. As you see, there is a bit of a problem here. It is spanning too far, but we'll take care of that in a minute, all right? So let's go to the button. Click the module settings for the button. Let's go under button text. If you go under your dock, you'll see it needs to say learn more. So let's put learn more in here. Let's go to your button presets and let's do the primary button center. Let's go back to your link. Let's link this to your service page, your main service page. So let's find that link. So let's save this and let's pull down the exit button and we'll go to view page, but we don't want to exit from the edit area. We want to right click and open in a new tab to keep this open. Okay, do not close this. Make sure you open in a new tab. Go to the front end here. As you see, there's the beginning of the home page with the footer, the global footer that you already built in the video before. So let's go over to services, right click, copy the link address, go back to the edit space, go back to your button, content, link, button link, URL, and paste it in. That's all there is to it. And save it. Now, let's address the text here that's spanning too far across. But first, let's go into your row settings, okay? Go into your row settings. Make sure you're in row. Click off your link here. Don't need it. Go to background. Let's add a background color. I'm going to add black. Wow, it's way black. So let's turn that black down. So let's try 30%. Might be a little light. Let's try 50%. Might be too dark. Let's try 35. Yeah, 35 might do it. Okay, now let's give it some room to breathe, some padding. So let's go under your design tab. Let's go under spacing. Let's go to padding. Click both locks for top and bottom and left and right. Let's put in 20 pixels. And then 20 pixels for top right or left right and top and bottom. Now you have some room to breathe. Okay, unfortunately, this is spanning too far. Let's save this. Go back to the front end, refresh, and see it's just spanning too far. So that's not a good look. So we need to correct that. So the way to do that is, let's go back to your Divi edit area and just go ahead and delete that module, okay? We'll start over here. Go under your image and click add a new module or row. Well, for this one, we want to add a new row. This will be an inner row, but it just says new row, but it's an inner row because you're adding it to another row. So click it, make it a one column row, add a text module, and go back and click the settings for your text module here, and go back into your content, text module content, sample text, and paste in. Well, let's go back and make sure that we have the right stuff here. And paste it in. Now let's give it a preset assignment. So let's go under your text, assign presets, go back to body text white center. Okay. Obviously, it's still too wide. So let's go under the inner row settings. Let's go to design. Let's go to sizing. And let's go to your edit responsive values. In your desktop width, go to 50%. Don't worry, I will fix the alignment in a minute. I knew it'll bounce over, but we'll fix it. Now, to your text, or to your tablet, let's add 70%. All right? And to the phone, we're just going to keep it to 100. Now let's go back to your desktop setting, or your desktop view here. Now we need to address and center the row. So let's make sure that you have your row settings on, which we do. So let's just close the sizing. Let's close it. And let's go down to spacing. Let's go to margin. Let's go to left and right margin. Click the lock. Go to your left margin and type in auto. Click out. Now it's centered. So let's save. Let's go back to the front end and refresh. Looking pretty good. I think we have a finished hero. Okay, let's add a new section. Let's go to the bottom of the section. Hit I need add new section. This is a one column row. Let's put in a text. Well, this is going to be a header module. So let's put in a heading module. Scroll down here to find it. Click into your heading module. Make sure you have your settings selected. Remember to follow your breadcrumbs saying heading and go to the heading and now add your new title here. We'll go to your document because this is going to be the About Us section. So let's select. Let's get About Us here. Go back to the edit area and paste it in. Okay, now let's go to your section settings. Let's go to your section settings preset. Let's find, we want the section primary color preset. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's go back to your text module. Click the settings. Go to the heading, preset settings for your heading. We want the H2 white center. So let's find the H2 white center. There it is. Save it. Okay, let's add in another row. Let's go to a new row, a one column row. This because we're going to put a text module in this one. All right, let's go to the row settings. Let's make sure that you're in your row. Go to your sign presets. Go to row body text 90, 80, 100. Go back to your row or your text settings. Let's go to your document. Let's find the copy that you need here. Copy it. Go back over. Go into your text content. Replace the sample copy. And then go into your text presets, assign presets. And now we want body, text, white, center. See there? Now, let's add in a new module. We'll call this one button. This is the button one. You cannot see it because it's green. See that? So just kind of find it here and then click your module settings, go to button, go to your assigned presets, go to your secondary button center. There you go. You can see it now. Now let's go back to your document and we want learn more. But let's take this learn more on this one since it has capital L and M. Now let's make sure that you're in your button settings. Under button text, click in or paste in learn more. Now this one's going to your about page. Let's click save. Go to the front end, refresh. Now go to your about on your header navigation. Right click, copy link address. Go back to your edit area. Make sure that you're in your button settings here. Go under button content link and go to button link URL and paste in the about us. Save. Go back to the front end, refresh, and now it's starting to come together. Your home page is starting to come together. You got your hero, and now you have your brief introduction, which is the About Us section, and click Learn More. And now you have your placeholder, going to your placeholder About Us. Click back on the logo to get back to the home page, the front page. Now that you have your hero and brief introduction, which is About Us section, we'll move on to the next section. Okay, let's go down here and add a new section. It's going to be a 1-column row. Let's add a heading. Let's scroll down. And then let's put on the plus sign again here and add a new 1-column row. This one's going to have an icon in it. Click the icon, scroll down. And then let's add a new module to this row. And this is going to be a heading. Click it. Scroll down here. Find the X to add a new module. And then this is going to be a text module. Scroll down here. Add a new module. And this one's going to be a button module. So there you got it. The start of your service panel. Let's go to your section settings. Let's go to the assigned presets. I'm going to pick the section secondary color. Okay, let's go to this heading module and select the settings. Let's go under the presets. And this one is going to be an H2 white center. Let's go to your icon. Let's go to design. The icon. Choose your color. This one's it's going to be white. Let's go to icon size. I'm putting 50 pixels here. Let's go to alignment. Make sure it's centered. Let's go to content and to icon and choose the down arrow. I think it's more appropriate of an icon for the service panels. Let's go down to the next heading module and go under the presets. This is going to be an H3 white center. Let's go to the text module, to the presets. And this is going to be a body, text, white, left. And let's go down to the button module. Selected settings. Go to the settings, the preset settings. And this is going to be a primary button center. Okay, let's go into this top heading module. Let's go into content, text. I'm just going to name this. This is going to be services. Okay, let's go into the row settings here. On the second row, settings. Let's go up to elements, row, content, elements. Click the column. Go to background, add a background color. Going to choose black. We're going to go 50% black here. Let's go to the background image. Let's add a background image. And we're going to add a service panel background image. Sometimes when you load fresh images, they get a little pixelated looking, but they're absolutely the right quality. But it's hard to tell what they are sometimes. So this is the basic service panel for mowing. So I cannot tell. So the way you can look at this is, if you ran into this, is just click in and you'll see the name full, basic, edge. So we want the one that says basic. You can see basic right up here. And so upload this image, and there it is. Now let's go into design. Let's go into spacing. Let's go into padding. Click top, bottom, lot padding, and the left, right, lot padding, and go to the top and have 20. And go to the bottom and have 20. Okay? And then there you go. But I forgot to do something over here in content. I need to go to background image and go down to background image blend and click it and click multiply. See, looks a lot better with the 50% black. So let's go into the button here. Click the module settings, and we want the button to say learn more. More. All right. So now let's go back into the row up here on the breadcrumbs. Under row, content, elements. Under column, in the duplication item, duplicate the item. Click it once and twice. All right, isn't that cool? Now you got your start of your nice looking service panels here. But they all need to be customized, so they're just generic for now. Got a little work still here to do in the layout. So under row, go under the, go under row, go under the design tab, go under sizing. And then come down to your width, open up your edit response values, go to your desktop, add 100% to the width of the row, and into your tablet, we'll go 99, and to the width of the phone, we'll go 99. I know the layout looks terrible on tablet and width and in the phone, but we're about to work all that out. Just give me a chance here. So let's click off the responsive editor. Let's go back to your desktop mode and save your. Okay, under row and design, let's go to the layout. Let's go to horizontal gap. Let's go over here and change it to pixels. And let's add it to 20 pixels of horizontal gap. Yep, I like that. Okay, we're still in your row. Let's go under content. Make sure you open your elements here. So let's go to Applied Structure Template. But first, let's go under the tablet. And now we'll go back to Row, Content, Elements. Like I said, make sure your elements are open. Let's go to Applied Structure Template. Let's apply 2. Okay, that looks a lot better on tablet. So the layout's looking pretty good here. But maybe we want to do something to the bottom one a little bit. So let's click into the column. You can either click right here in the little edge, or you can go down to the third column and click it to select it. You go under Design. You go under Sizing. And you go to Column Class. Click it and pick 100%. And there you go. It spans the content width. Now let's check out what the phone's doing here. So let's click on the phone. Yeah, it looks a little bad, don't it? So let's go back to content. The row. Apply structure. We want to pick the single up here. Looks a lot better like this. So let's go back out to desktop mode. So your service panels are ready for customization. Okay, let's customize these service panels. But we need to go to your Google Doc. Remember, you go to your Brightspace in week 6 and 7, create a new website, part 4, and you scroll down and you'll see website copy and image Google links here. So click that to get to the Google Doc. And here you will have your copy that you need for the service panels. So let's start with basic Mo service. So just select it, copy it, go to the edit space, and go to the first one here on the left. You either can click inside here, and you'll see a cursor come up. You can do a select all and paste it just like that. Or you could come under your heading, under text, and put it here. It's either way. Sometimes it can be a little weird to get it here if you don't want to activate correctly. So just keep that in mind. Go back to your Google Doc. Let's get the bullet points for Basic Mo Services service. Go back to Divi. Go to your text module. Go to your text module. And then go into column, text, and select the sample copy and just copy in the bullet points. Sometimes they can be a little aggravating. You have to work with it. So the bottom one doesn't have a bullet. So click into the edit area here and go back one and then click it and it adds it. And then the spacing looks a little off So let's go up one with this and click back and do the same for the second. Click back and one. Now if it looks that way when you put it in, sometimes it does. So you kind of work with it a little bit to make it look prettier. Okay, we need the link for the button here for Basic Mo service. So let's go to the front end of your website. Let's do a refresh here. That's your home page starting to come together. Well, we need that Basic Mo service link. So it's a sublink to services. So let it float over it. Go to Basic Mo services, do a right click, and copy the link address. And go back to the edit space for Divi and make sure that you got the button module settings clicked on under module settings. Go under button content link, button link URL, and paste it in. Now save it. Okay, let's go to the second service panel. And we're going to go to the settings for the header here. So let's go to your Google Doc. This is Mow and Edge or plus Edge. So let's copy it, bring it over, double click in here, select all, paste it, go back to your Google Doc, get the bullet points. All right, copy those, come back over, double click in, and then that automatically open your text settings under text and content. But let's go over here and paste them in here because you're going to have to probably work a little bit to get them right. So select all the sample copy and then paste it in. So let's work the spacing here for the bullet points a bit. So let's go to the bottom one, bring it up, bring the bullet point or hit enter again, and bring the second one up and hit enter, and go up to the second one, space it back, hit enter. So the spacing looks a lot better there. Okay, let's go to the third one. Go into the heading module here. Just click in it or click the gear, whichever. Go to your Google Doc. Let's go down to full service lawn care. Click it. Go to your edit space. I'm going to put it in the heading field here. And then we'll go back to the Google Doc and get the bullet points here. Copy those, bring them back over, click into the module. Let's go into text, content, and select all the sample text and paste it in. Okay, let's work the spacing again. Go to the bottom one and backspace it up and enter. Go to the next one, backspace it up and enter. The next one, weed eating, backspace up and enter. So there you go. Okay, we're getting close to getting these done. But we need different background images for the other two. So let's get those. So let's go to row. Let's go to content. Let's go to elements. Let's go to the second column. Let's click on it. Let's go to the background. Let's go to the background image here. Click into that. And we're still getting that pixelization problem here. So let's find the one that says, okay, you got full, meaning full service. And then you got basic, meaning basic service. And you got edge. So this is the one we want. So let's upload it. Where you get these is in your Google Doc. You go over here in your Google Doc and you click here for subservice background images. So let's click in here. And there they are. Basic for basic services, and the edge and full service. Just download them because they're already on WebP and they're optimized. Let's go back to the Divi edit space. And let's go to the third service panel. So let's go back to the row, under content, under elements, and under the last column, click into it, go to background, go to background image, click in there, find your full service one. This one says full right here, so that's the one. So upload it. So it looks like I missed some of the layout here, spacing, and these bullet points in the full service lawn. It's easy to do. So click into the module, go under text and content. We'll just clean it up. If it happens to you, it's easy to clean up. Do a backspace here. Looks like it's double spaced. And another one, and enter. All right, it looks a lot cleaner there. Always make sure you save your pages. Okay, let's balance out these service panels. Let's go to the basic mode and let's go down to the button module. Make sure you're in the settings for the button. Let's go to the design tab, button design. Make sure you open up your spacing tab. Go to top margin and type in auto. Okay. Click out to let it set and it pushes the button to the bottom. Okay. So go to the middle one. Click it. Go to the button, spacing, top margin, and click auto. Click out the set. Go to the third one. Do the same thing in the button design, spacing, top margin. Put in auto and click out. And then save your work. Let's be sure that the buttons are linked to their appropriate page. So let's click the saving, the module settings for the button. And then let's go to the front end and go into services. Go under the basic mode service. Right click and copy the link address. Go back to the edit space. Go under the button content, button URL link, and paste it in. Go to the next button. It'll stay open like the other button was. So just go back to the other one, to the other live screen, and then go under service, go under mode edge, copy link address, go back over, paste it into the button link URL, and then go to the third button. The same setting stays open if you go from the same module to the next. So, it just stays open, the button content, button link. So let's go back to the main page, the live page, go down to services and pick up your link for full service lawn care. Copy the link address, go back and paste it in. And then save your work. Now let's save this row or this section to the library. In order to do that, you go up here to these 3 vertical lines and save the library. We're going to name this section Service Panels. Add the library. Now we'll save this for a later page. Okay, let's add another section. Click the Add New Section. This is going to be a 1-column row. Let's go ahead and add a header module. Scroll down. Click on your section settings here. Go to Section. Go to your presets. And this one is going to be Section Black. Okay. Now go to Section Content Background. Go to turn this black down to about 65%. Go to your background image. Add a background image. I have one here for you. It's called CTA Background. Upload. Now let's go under Background Image Multiply or Background Image Blend. And we'll select Multiply. Now, okay, let's see if we do a parallax effect here. Let's use the parallax effect. Let's switch it on. And we want the CSS one, okay? Now, let's go down to the title. Let's go to the heading preset. This will be an H2 white center. Okay, let's add in a new row. So go to your row settings here, and then click the plus button, add a 1-column row, and we're going to do a text module. Go in your text module settings here. Go into your preset. And this one will be body, text, white center. Let's go back to your row settings. And then after you go to your row settings, let's go to your presets and add row, body, text 90, 80, 100. Okay, now let's go and add a new module. This will be a button module. So click on the settings for the button, go to your presets up here, and this will be your primary button center. So let's see, let's go under design though. Go under your button, go under button background. Well, let's make it a little transparent on this one. Give it 50%. Yeah, I like that. And save your work. Okay, now let's go to the customize this. Let's go to your Google Doc and get your CTA stuff. So here's your H2. So let's just copy it, take it over, double click in, select all, paste, go back to your Google Doc, get your tagline here, copy it, go back. You can double click in here, select all, and paste. And let's go back to get your button text, get a free quote, copy it, go back, click on the settings to your button, go under content, text, under button text, select all, paste that in, get a free quote. Now, we want this to go ahead and save. Go to your front end, refresh. We want this to go to your contact page. So right click, copy the link text, and go back, or copy the link and go back to your button and go to link and paste in the button link URL and save. So let's take a look at the front end. Refresh it. And we're looking pretty good here. We're getting there. See the parallax effect? Looks kind of cool. And got the black, overlay to the background. Okay, let's add in another section. Let's make it a one-column row. Let's make it at a heading. Let's scroll down and let's add in another row. This will be a testimonial module. Scroll down. Let's go into the settings. Let's go into the settings presets. Let's make this a secondary color. Let's go into the heading module. Let's go to heading to the presets. Go down and select H2 white center. Let's go into the first module. Let's go into your Google Doc and we'll find Jason Miller here. Select it, copy it, put it in the author's name, select all, copy it in, get the quote, copy it, and go down to the text area here, select all, paste it in, go to image, click the image block, find Jason Miller here, upload, and let's duplicate. Let's go down to the second one. Click into it, go to your Google Doc. Next one is Emily Carter. Copy it. Go to the author's name here under text, paste it in, go back to the doc, get the quote, copy it, and put it in the text box here. and then go to the image, click in there, get the lady, Emily Carter, upload her. Let's duplicate it again. Go in this text module, testimonial. Go to your doc, select Get Robert Hayes here, go back, under text, under author, select all, copy it in, go back, get the quote, copy it, go in the text box here, select all, and copy that, and go down to the image, and get this fella, Robert Hayes, and upload him. Okay, let's go into the header area. Let's go back to your doc, go into testimonials here, copy that, double click in, select all, and paste. Okay, now let's change the alignment of the testimonials. Let's go into the row, and let's go into the content of the row, into the elements, into the column, into design, into the layout, and let's change this to row. There you go. Now let's check to other screens to see if the layout works there. There's tablet. Nope, the tablet don't work. So what to change the layout direction? Just select column. There you go. Let's check the phone. Yep, it's working in phone. Because of the column, it inherited it from the tablet when I made the selection there. Let's go back to desktop. Let's save. Let's go to the front end and do a refresh. Let's take a look at the page here. Yeah, it's looking real nice. So just watch the videos and you should have no problem with this assignment. If you just follow the directions and go into the Google Doc and get your deliverables. If you got any questions, please email me. Thank you.